I started with the SoftWave, and that was almost 2 years ago. I come in for the decompression stretch for the back, almost a year. Bulged my disc or something, I don't know for exactly what I did, but the bed's wonderful. But I've been doing the maintenance ever since, especially with the SoftWave, and we've added this, the bed to it, and the adjustments. But I feel, as for the adjustments in the bed, tremendous. I feel really, really good. I don't want to go get a cortisone shot, and I sure don't want to go get a knee replacement. I did notice that sitting around watching television or just spending time together that Ellie complained and had aches here and there. I always said she had gremlins in her body to go into one place or another, but typically it was always going to the knees. So I never got on my hands and knees and begged her to come and see Dr. Nathan, but I suggested it a lot. Well, watching her go through all the pain and the misery of fighting the knee, that I knew that there was an answer, because I had found the SoftWave earlier, and that she's complaining and crying, and I went through the same stuff, and I knew what the answer was going to be, or I was certain it was going to help. And I think more than even going up and down the hills, it was just even walking was a problem for her. There were times that she just had to stop.
He encouraged me to come in when I was complaining about my knees hurting and struggling to get up and down the stairs and struggling to get through a round of golf. I like to play, I like to socialize, I like to do my best, and it sure isn't fun when you hurt. I couldn't get up the stairs, I had to go one step at a time. I don't listen to him very often, but I did this time, so I'm glad, because it's definitely helped. And I can't wait for summer to be over so I can get out there and play on knees that don't hurt. I think the team here in the office is great. Everyone is friendly, everyone is caring. They always come and check on me when I'm getting whatever procedure I'm having done.
I play with a lot of people at golf. A lot of my friends are older, and so I do hear that they have the aches and pains. And I always suggest to come and see you. Sometimes I think that I want to just shake them and say, go see him, because it'll be so much better. Believe me, and it happens a lot faster than what you think it'll happen. I think they believe, like everybody else who watches TV too much, we can always take a pill and it gets better, and that's just not the case. Sometimes we have to take it upon ourselves to do what we need to do to get better.
A pill only disguises everything, hides it. The problem is still there.
Mm-hmm.